Hello everyone, welcome back to our course Fundamental Programming. In this movie, we will see what is constants, what is a constant, and so far we have been discussing variables, the value of which can be changed during the execution of program, although it is initialized earlier. But in the case of constants, once the value of a constant is initialized, which means assigned first, the value cannot be changed during the execution of the program. So for that purpose, we use keyword final, and we declare the variable, and we can assign the value while we declare, or we can assign the value in a separate line that we will see in the exercise. So constant, once you declare the constant, it becomes so efficient in the program, because the Java's virtual machine, it keeps a cache of its value, and it improves the program's performance. Okay, so we can see some examples of the constants. So screen, let me go to white screen. So here we will see how to declare a constant. Constant is declared by final keyword and followed by data type. Okay, followed by data type and name of the constant. Name. Okay, so example is final int age equal 41. So this is declaring the value of the constant and assigning it, declaring the constant and assigning the value in single line. Same can be done on two lines. Final double double double. Let's call interest rate. Interest rate, and again we will say interest rate equal 10.5. Okay, so here we are declaring it on one line and assigning the value on the another line, assigning in a sense initializing the value in another line. In this first instance, we are declaring and assigning the value on the same line. Both will work. One thing to be noted here is the naming convention. The constant name contains all letters as capital letters, capitalized. Here also you can see, and if you have more than one word in a constant name, you have to join them, concatenate them by an underscore. This is convention, but not a syntax. Okay, a convention. So when a programmer, your co-programmer, looks at the name of the variable, he will decide, he or she will decide this is a constant, right? So once it is declared, you can't change the value of this constant during the execution of the program. So we will see an example in our Java code. Right? I have opened my notepad, and I would like to create a program named constant exercise or constant 123, something like that. So let me declare the class public class constant 1, constant 1, and let me have the method public static void main string class. Here I'm going to declare the final variable, that is the constant int age equal 41. system out print ln age. Your age is age. Let me save this program. File save as. In my Java folder, I'm going to say constant1 all files and save. Let me open my notepad, the command prompt. In the command window, I'm making the size to fit my recording area. E drive, I'm going back, cd java dir. So here you can see my constant 01 is available. So fine, see clear screen. I'm going to compile this program constant 01.java. The program has compiled without any errors. So let me run this program constant. Okay, constant 01. Fine, the program runs without any issues. So now I'm going to change or do some modifications like we do with variables. I'm going to do some modifications. So age equal 45. Let me call this, and similar line I'm going to have. Okay, I'm going to save this. I'm going to run this again. Compiler, you can see constant 1 Java 7 line error cannot assign a value to a final variable. Final variable means constant. You can't assign a value once it's been initialized. So that is the error caused. Okay. So once you have declared the variable, constant variable, and assign the value or initialize the value, you can't change it. Right? I would like to show you an example here. Age, and again I'm going to say age equal age. Come on, keep stop on. It is already age equals 41. So I'm changing the work. Clear the screen, go back again, compiles fine, run this code again, it will work. The reason is, here you see we have done this work on 2 lines. So constant, you have to make a note here. The value of constant can be initialized on the same line like this, or it can be declared first and initialized on a separate line. But once the value of this constant is initialized, it is fixed. We can't change. When the program runs, when the program compiles, it is fixed. The value is fixed. Okay. You won't be able to change this because the value of constant is cached by the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Cached in a sense, it's taken to the memory. So you can't change the value, right? So this is how constant works. Please do more exercises with your own assumptions and practice this. And if you have any issues, please let me know in our WhatsApp group so that we can clear them. Until then, bye-bye.